Sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Tamara's Hair Care. If you are new here, we are on the journey for longer, thicker, and healthier relaxed hair. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed and be a part of our hair care family. So, judging from the title, your girl is here with another DIY video. This DIY is a deep conditioning treatment which contains rice and aloe vera. After doing a lot of research, guys, I found out that rice is very good for our hair. So I wanted to make rice and aloe vera deep conditioning treatment and see how my hair reacts to it. Here I am preparing the aloe vera. You guys already know I've done this a million times. Oh, I get my aloe vera juice. I am blending everything because the skin contains a lot of nutrients that's also good for our hair. If you guys wanted to see how I normally prepare my aloe vera, I have video on my channel. I'll put the link in my description below how I prepare my aloe vera in order to extract all the goodness without having any allergies or itchy scalp. So now that I finished with my aloe vera, I'm going to go ahead and check out the rice. The rice is on the fire. I am cooking the rice. You have to make sure the rice is cooked, guys, before you use it. And now that my aloe vera juice or gel is ready, my rice is ready as well. So I'm going to put it to cool off, put the rice to cool off. Then I'm going to blend my aloe vera juice or gel with my rice. The measurement depending on the length and thickness of your hair. So of course I'm going to use jojoba oil as well as my aloe vera and rosemary growth oil. You guys know I love this, and this oil contains a lot of different oils, essential oils and carrier oils, as well as rosemary leaves and aloe vera. Okay, so it's packed with everything that our hair needs, our scalp needs. So I'm going to blend everything together to get a really smooth, nice consistency. Guys, I did went ahead and add coconut oil to this mixture as well because it was too thick, as well as some more aloe vera juice because it was too thick and not enough to apply to my entire hair. So now that the mixture is completely ready, this is what it looks like. This looks like something I can eat. I swear to you, it looks delicious. Okay, this is pure goodness. Okay guys, look at that smooth consistency. You have to make sure that it's not too thick and not too runny as well. So this is what it looks like. This is the perfect consistency. So here are a few amazing benefits you can get from using rice treatment on your hair. It increased hair volume, better hair shine and appearance, stronger follicles, dandruff prevention, and anti-inflammatory effect on scalp. Okay guys, so currently I am 1 month and 3 weeks post relaxer. So this is what my hair looking like. My hair is actually very dirty because I've been wearing this ponytail for the past 2 weeks. Yes, for the past 2 weeks. So I haven't detangled my hair. Only thing I have been doing to my hair is applying my growth oil to my scalp while I'm wearing my while I'm wearing my ponytails, because my ponytail is a short-term protective style. A lot of you guys may know I do not manipulate my hair a lot, so of course I'm going to be wearing protective style short term or long term. So now I'm going to apply the treatment to my hair. I can't wait to try this treatment because I've read so much good things about rice water and rice treatment, and this is the first time I am actually applying rice to my hair. So I'm really excited to see the result or feel the result, to know if this is something that I want to continue. But if you guys are interested in trying this treatment, I'll put everything in my description below, everything that I've used, and as well as the measurement. And I will definitely at the end give you guys my honest opinion on this treatment, if it's something that I will continue doing or if it's something that it's just a one-time use for me. Please ensure when you're applying any treatment to your hair, make sure you get all the strands. Make sure you go in there and cover your scalp as well with the treatment, because you want to ensure that all your hair get all the TLC. And please focus on your ends as well, because they're the oldest part of your hair, so they're the weakest, so they need more TLC. I like to give myself a scalp massage, which is very, very important on our hair care journey. We want to make sure we always massaging our scalp, because this helps with blood flow, which promote hair growth. All right, so now that I finished applying the treatment to my hair, I am going to put a shower cap on. I actually was wearing like 2 shower caps, and tie my hair with my scarf to lock in as much heat as possible, guys. And I kept this on for 30 minutes, and after the 30 minutes I went ahead and shampoo my hair. So this is 30 minutes after wearing the treatment. My hair felt really warm, which is good. That's what we want the natural heat. After I completely wash out all the treatment from my hair, I am going to go in with my Chi shampoo, and I'm going to wash my hair. I think I washed my hair like 2 times. And you want to make sure you focus the shampoo on the scalp. Always focus your shampoo on your scalp, because that's where all the builds up at. That's where our hair is growing from. So clean and healthy scalp promotes healthy hair growth. So we have to make sure we're taking care of our scalp in order to achieve that healthy, luxury, fuller hair that we all desire. And then I'm going to work the shampoo down on the length of my hair. Next, I am going to go in with my garlic extract deep conditioning treatment. Guys, I love this treatment. If you have been watching my videos, you guys know how much I love this treatment, and I will put the link in my description below. If you guys want to try this treatment out as well, you can get it on Amazon. I'm just going to make sure I cover my entire hair with the treatment, and I'm going to keep my treatment on until I take a shower and do whatever I need to do in the shower, and after that I'll wash my treatment out. Because I use my rice and aloe vera deep conditioning treatment, I don't feel like I need to leave my deep conditioning treatment in my hair for too long, because I already treat my hair before washing, and I really want to see the result that the rice and aloe vera is going to give. So after 30 minutes or 15 minutes, whenever time I took to shower and do whatever, I wash my hair out with cold water. I want to make sure I'm locking all the moisture. I wash my hair with warm water and rinse it out with cold water all the time. Now I am going in with my Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to spray that all over my entire head, and I'm just going to let my hair dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I finger detangle, then I detangle, then I blow dry. So this is my fully detangled hair, and then I'm going to blow dry my hair after. So guys, now that my hair is finished blow drying, oh my god guys, I don't know if you guys can see this on the camera, but listen, when I tell you my hair feels so soft, it definitely felt stronger, fuller, and it looks fuller. It felt fuller and it looks fuller. I honestly love this DIY treatment, and this will definitely uh treatment that I will be continue using in my hair. I definitely loves it. I will definitely add this to my list of DIY deep conditioning treatment that I love and will be doing all the time. I am fully satisfied with the results. Okay, I am loving the results. So now I'm going to moisturize my hair, and I'm using my organ moisturizing oil. You guys know that it's the only products I use on my hair when my hair is dry to moisturize my hair. And then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer to make sure that all strands are being moisturized. I like to use this technique to help to moisturize my hair and stretch the oil to the length of my hair. And then I went in and used my aloe vera and rosemary growth oil on my scalp as well. And so I'm just showing you guys my hair, what it looks like. And guys, I am loving the result. I ain't gonna lie to you guys, you definitely need to try this. Listen, you have to try this treatment, okay? You have to try this treatment. I love it, and I fully recommend it. So if you are willing to try it, please check my description below. I will put all the information in my description below. So now that the length of my hair is moisturized, my scalp is moisturized, everything is clean and moisturized. You have to make sure you don't forget your hair lining as well as the back of your hair, also your edges. Please don't remember to oil your edges. We want thicker, fuller edges, okay? And then of course I'm going to massage my scalp to help with blood flow so I can get longer and fuller hair. So now that I finish with my hair, guys, oh my god, I cannot tell you guys how satisfied I am with these results. Okay, so I'm just enjoying my massage. But anyway guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys learned something, and I hope you guys give this treatment a try. And if you do, please comment down below, let me know how you guys like it, and how your hair likes it as well. But anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in another video. So in the meantime, remember to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Look at that. I am so happy with my results, and I'm so happy where I am right now with my hair health and length. I've been working super hard, as you guys know, and I am just, proud of myself. So I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys. Remember to subscribe and like this video.